Hey guys, so yesterday we took the Leapmotor C10 from KL to Quanton. So the C10 is actually a D-segment SUV at a C-segment price. Let's see whether it is worth your attention. So let's start with the basics. The Leapmotor C10 has 118 PS, 320 Nm of torque. The drive is only to the rear wheels, and it got claimed range of more than 450 km. The car runs on a 400 volts battery architecture, which support DC fast charging. So you can go from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes, giving you around 100 km of range. So during the launch, the Leapmotor MD said that this is a D-segment SUV at a C-segment price. Introductory pricing is 149,000 Malaysian ringgits until the end of this year, which is discounted from the standard price of 159,000 Malaysian ringgits. Honestly, that is a pretty sweet deal. So let's now talk about the interior space. This is where the C10 doing very well. The C10 using cell-to-chassis tech, which integrate the batteries straight to the body of the car. So what this does is freed up tons of space inside the vehicle. Okay, check this out. The rear is very wide and we got a lot of headroom. We got a lot of legroom. And this seat actually adjusted very back compared to the normal driving position. So right now you're looking at the brown interior option. There's also a black interior option. But personally, I like the brown interior. It gives the cabin more premium feel. But that's just me. So as for exterior color, you got for color option, the green, white, light gray, and dark gray. But the dark gray looks a bit more like black. So moving on for the inside. The center screen is big. It acts as the control center of the car. You can control everything here. The AC, the lighting, the drive setting, and even the 16 ADAS feature. For the driver, there is also a smaller display with all essential info you need when you're driving. It looks overall clean and simple. So let's talk about the drive. Leapmotor says that they had Maserati optimized the C10 driving dynamics, driving it from KL through Carrick Highway in those high-speed straights, plus some sharp bends. I can honestly say it handles really well. The car gives you confidence even at higher speed. One thing that stands out is the 42,500 Nm per degree of torsion rigidity. That basically means the body is super stiff, which makes the car stay composed through corners and improve ride comfort. It's not a sporty car, but it handles very well for a big family SUV. So overall, the Leapmotor C10 is a good family SUV. You got plenty of space, comfortable seats, a smooth driving experience, the tech is modern, and the price is really competitive. Look-wise, it's always subjective. But you got for exterior color to choose, and to interior color to play with. What do you think about the design? Is this a car that you would consider? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and bye.